In this guide, we're going over how you can get the one title here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get this title, you actually have to farm it inside the boss rush mode. So first things first, go ahead and find any of these teleporters, interact with the teleporter, and go to the boss island. Once you're in the boss island, what you need to go ahead and do is go to the Sailor Island, and once you're at the Sailor Island, just like so, you need to go ahead and walk in, and if you turn over to the right, you're going to see all this stuff over here. Find Boss Rush, go ahead and open it up. You just have to have a rush key beforehand. You cannot enter the Boss Rush portals without it, and these can be obtained from higher level quests or other valuable methods in the game. But once you have it, activate the Boss Rush portal on Sailor Island, enter it, and inside there you're going to fight multiple waves of enemies, and then of course you're going to have to fight the boss Esser. This boss has a chance to drop the one title. In fact, the base drop chance is only about 0.75%, so it's not very high at all. But essentially, once you go ahead and attempt this multiple times, specifically around 125 to 150 times, you should get it. But to qualify, you do have to do at least 10% of the boss's total health in the damage. So if you don't deal enough damage, you won't receive the drop until you do that, and it's not going to count towards a pity system. To farm faster though, I'd recommend using high damage builds so that you can clear enemy waves pretty quickly and trigger the boss spawn. You could also join the official Sailor Peace Roblox group, which will give you a small boost to drop rates. But if boss rush portals are on cooldown in your server, switch servers and find another one available. But that is it. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.